So let's go step by step on how to connect these two together. First, on the camera, we got to go to the menu and then go over until you get to this little globe icon here, and network 2. On network 2, you'll see Bluetooth setting. Make sure that's set to on. Press the menu button to go back. And then we just have to go to the remote, the Bluetooth remote control, and turn that on to put this camera into a pair mode. So now we have that in the pair mode. Now we just got to put this tripod here in the pair mode. So if you didn't know already, just to get this out the way, it does need a battery. So make sure you have your battery in there. The battery should be included. But if you don't have the battery for whatever reason, it takes one of these. The next important step is this cannot be in a lock mode. So in this position, it's locked. You see that little dot? And to unlock it, we just gotta slide this over to the left there. And there you go. Now it's unlocked. Now we can move on. Now, once we put this in pair mode, it's just gonna last like a few seconds. So it's better if you go ahead and get the camera in the pair mode. So as soon as the tripod is in the pair mode, it's gonna connect right away. So to put it in pair mode, just press photo, then press T, hold it for at least 7 seconds. There we go. Going back to the camera, we're gonna select OK. All right, let's say your device is connected. There we go, a little better focus there. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, it's recording. And go ahead and try to stop the recording. There we go. Zoom out, zoom in, and that's it. So hope this helped you out. If it did, leave me a comment. Much love to each and every one of you guys. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.